Hi, ako po si Rafi Galigdan, isang worldwide distributor and leader ng Team Spark under Longreach Philippines, and welcome to this short video presentation of Longreach International Compensation Plan. Longreach International Compensation Plan is an advanced and powerful compensation plan which offers greater profitability. It eliminates the pitfalls, drawback, and weakness of traditional network marketing system. It will propel you towards financial freedom. Mamaya, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung bakit kakaiba ito sa mga alam na nating compensation plan ng mga ibang network marketing companies. Important things to remember. PV, or point value. Every Longreach product has an equivalent point value. Generations, considered as your direct referrals or people you directly introduced to do the Longreach business. Spillover, the distributor who is brought forward to you by your uplines, considered part of your placement tree. Sponsor tree, where your direct referrals are placed. Placement tree, direct referrals and spillovers are counted. Legs or groups. Level or placement of your downlines. Dito po ay meron tayong 4 na positions para sa ating entry level. Malalaman natin dito na crucial po ang pagpasok natin sa Longreach. Ibig sabihin po niyan na ang unang bibilhin nating volume of products ay depende sa kikitain rin natin sa performance bonus, which I will discuss later on. So meron tayong 4 na positions and I will begin with Q Silver. Ito ay worth 60 PV ng products na $100. So meron kang 8% na kitaan at $750 per week per leg na maximum income sa performance bonus. Silver, 240 PV, $340 pong investment dyan. Meron ka ring 8% na kitaan at maximum income mo 1,500 per week per leg sa performance bonus. Gold, 720 PV or $960 na investment, 10% na kitaan at ang limit mo sa performance bonus ay 7,500 per week per leg. At ang pinakamataas natin ay ang Platinum VIP, 1,680 PV or point value, 2,300 investment, 12% na kitaan at 22,500 per week per leg na maximum income. So, simulan natin sa performance bonus. This is based on placement tree at counted dito ang spillovers. Halimbawa ikaw, minimum yan na 2 groups and maximum of 3. So, pagpalagay natin na this week, nakaproduce yung group A mo ng 150,000 PV. Tapos yung B mo naman, nakaproduce ng 100,000 PV. Yung C mo, nakaproduce ng 50,000 PV. Ngayon, ang system, hahanapin niya yung pinakamataas at yun ang tatawagin niyang qualifying leg. Yung qualifying leg, yun ang ituturing niyang safety net. Yung matitira doon ay ang tinatawag na payout leg. Sa payout leg, doon na applicable yung mga percentage. For example, computation for payout leg B. Ang Platinum VIP, 100,000 times 12% is equal to 12,000. 1 PV is equal to $1. So, yung 12,000 mo ay $12,000. Kung gold ka naman, since ang limit mo per week per leg ay 7,500, kahit 10,000 pa yung total nun, ay 7,500 pa rin makukuha mo dahil nga may limit yan. So, same with silver, may limit ka na 1,500 at pinakakawawa dyan, yung Q Silver, na $750 lang ang matatanggap na performance bonus. So, dito, uulitin ko na very crucial talaga ang entry ninyo. Kaya kung gagawin ninyo itong business at tingin ninyo ay marketable naman yung products, dapat it's either gold or platinum VIP. Ngayon, kung user ka lang, Q Silver or Silver is okay. Pero kung gagawin mo siyang business, talagang dapat maraming products na rin ang bibilhin mo. So dito, sa leg B, payout leg B, ang maximum income mo dyan per week ay 22,500, which is $90,000 per month. And take note, hindi ko pa nakakount yung payout leg C. Kaya kung ika-count natin yan, ang maximum income mo pa dyan ay 90,000 per month. So kung ito total mo yan, meron kang maximum performance bonus per month na 180,000. At syempre na-accumulate yung points dyan. So it's infinity. Sa pangalawang way ay ang development bonus. 10% based on placement tree, so spillovers are counted. Minimum of 2 legs with at least 240 PV entry level. Ibig sabihin, at least silver yung pumapasok. So, halimbawang ikaw yan at meron kang 3 groups. Sa first level mo, ang A pumasok as silver and si B pumasok as platinum VIP at si C naman ay pumasok as gold. Igugrupo yan ng system at pipiliin niya yung pinakamataas. Yung pinakamataas ay sa B, obviously. So, yan ang safety net. At yung matitira, ang computation yan ay PV times 10%. So, may makukuha kang $24 sa A and $72 sa C. So, sa second level, pipiliin ng system ang pinakamataas per group. So, ito. So, ngayon, per level na. Yung buong level, anong pinakamataas dyan? Since parehong may nag 1,680, isa lang yung mapipili dyan na isi-safety net. And makukuha mo ang 10% ng 720 which is $72 and 10% ng 1,680 which is $168. And once again, this is infinity. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Number 3 is the leadership bonus based on sponsor tree up to 12 generation. Ibig sabihin yan, you get percentage from performance bonus of your downlines up to the 12 generation. So, halimbawa, sa first generation mo, ang makukuha mo ay 10% ng performance bonus nila. So, ibig sabihin, kung naka 1 million pesos yung mga first generation mo or yung mga direkta mong na-introduce sa long reach, first generation yon. So, yung mga na-invite nila, those are the second generation already. So, ikaw, yung mga direkto mong na-introduce, may makukuha kang 10% ng 1 million. May 100,000 ka na kaagad dahil dun sa masipag mong downline na yon. So, pagpalagay nating 100 yung mga direct na downlines mo at lahat sila kumita ng 1 million, edi meron kang tig 100,000 sa 100 na yon, di ba? So, eto, given na ang positions ay ma-achieve mo based on placement tree. Ibig sabihin yan, makukuha mo yung 10% sa first generation mo kung isa ka ng 1 diamond. Paano ma-achieve yon? Kailangan maka-accumulate lang yung A, B, or C mo ng total na 720 PV. So, ibig sabihin yan, may isa lang na mag-gold sa kanila, entitled ka na dun sa 10%. So, same na, mag-acquire ka lang ng position, a-accumulate lang yan ng points, makukuha mo na yung 5% ng second generation mo. Second generation up to 7th generation, makukuha mo yung 5% ng performance bonus nila. Di ba ang sarap nun? Kaya ang sarap maging upline dito sa long reach. So, 8 to 12 generation ay may makukuha ka pa rin 1%. Hanggat may mga sumasali, hanggat may mga members na masipag magbenta ng products dahil napakaganda ng mga products ng long reach, dire-diretso pa rin yung kita mo dyan. Dahil sa nagpa-perform lahat ng yung mga downlines. Number 4, the retail order bonus, ang favorite ng lahat, malalaman mo kung bakit. Dito sa long reach, you have to maintain 30 PV per month. So, ang 30 PV ay more or less 2,000 pesos lang. sobrang dali mo lang din madidispose yung product dahil mga products natin, bukod sa marketable, yung iba dyan ay mandatory. Kaya no choice kundi maubusan ka talaga ng supply. So, dito halimbawa ikaw yan, you are entitled to 15 levels at counted dito ang spillovers. So, this is based on placement tree. At ang formula dyan ay 30 PV times 4.5%. So, $1.35 per tao na nag-maintain ng 30 PV. So, halimbawa, meron kang 100 downlines, kahit A lang, meron kang $135 per month. Sigurado na yon. Tapos dito, kung mas marami kang downlines, syempre mas malaki yung kita mo dyan. 1,000 packs, 1,350 per month. And 10,000 packs, meron kang 13,500 per month. O kung may 100,000 na packs o tao under you, edi meron kang $135,000 per month. Sigurado na yon na makukuha mo dahil nga we are required to have maintenance. Diba? Sarap niyan. And take note, this is just part 1. This is part 2 and this is based on sponsor 3. Syempre, may mga iba na products na lalampas pa rin sa 30 PV. So, this is on top of 30 PV. Maintenance per month. So, wala itong natatapon na points. May nakukuha ka pa ring percentage. Depende sa sobrang points. So, up to 45% yan. At, if you exceed 3,500, you will be promoted as a super distributor. Ways to become super distributor. A, lahat ng mga directs mo ay nakatotal ng 3,500 PV na sobra. So, SD ka na yan. Sa B, meron kang naging SD na direct mo at meron ka ring isang direct na naka 1,750 PV. Pangatlong way, meron kang dalawang direct na naging SD. SD ka na rin yan. At kung meron kang tatlong direct na naging SD, magiging 3 SD ka na. Ibig sabihin yan, malakas na rin kumita ng on top of the retail order bonus ang iyong mga directs. So, hindi na 45% yung kikitain mo dyan, kundi 10% na lang. Diba? Para naman hindi malugi yung kumpanya. So, lahat ay nabibigyan ng chance na, syempre, kumita ng malaki dito. And, that's it. That's the International Compensation Plan of Longreach. At kung may tanong ka, please contact the person that introduced to you Longreach and make sure na under siya ng Team Spark. We are here to have fun, to inspire, to recognize, and to educate. And ang system po natin dito, ang team system po natin sa Longreach ay pinamumunuan po ng Fire.net. So, welcome to Fire.net family. At make sure na maintindihan mo talaga ito dahil masarap gawin tong business kung naiintindihan mo ang compensation plan. And syempre, yung mga produkto, 2,000 products po ang Longreach. Sobrang dami because they manufacture their own products. Pero pakonti-konti lang muna ang pagpasok ng products dito sa Pilipinas. And we believe that the products will make us rich dahil product-driven po ang company natin. Yun lang po. Once again, ako po si Rafi Kalikdan. God bless. Sana magkita-kita tayo in person very soon.